In this classic game type, your avatar can run, jump, and double jump through the level to collect goals while avoiding hazards. First, you will need to draw your game. Grab a white piece of paper and black, green, blue, red, and purple markers. We recommend using the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker markers because they are specially colored to work in the widest variety of lighting scenarios, so your photos come out just right. You can get Pixicade markers by buying the Pixicade box kit, or you can buy them individually on Amazon. Use black to create the ground, platforms, ramps, walls, and other elements that you want your avatar to walk on. Use green to draw your avatar or characters. Make sure your avatar will fit into all parts of the level. The avatar cannot go through black walls or floors. Use blue to draw the goals that your avatar needs to collect. Your avatar must collect all blue goals to win the game. Goals stay in place, unaffected by gravity. Use red to draw hazards and opponents. If an avatar hits anything red, it is game over. Hazards also stay in place and are not affected by gravity. Use purple to draw things you want to move. Purple shapes will be affected by gravity, so your avatar can push and move them. Once your drawing is ready, click Create on the home screen. Then, click the Get the Goals button to take your picture. Line up the camera, make sure you have good lighting, and nothing else is in the picture except your drawing. If your picture looks good in the preview, click Next. Now you are in the photo editor. Here you can crop, flip, and rotate your photo. When you're done editing your photo, click Create to finish uploading your game. It will take about 30 seconds for your game to load. Use the arrows to move left and right, and click the button in the right corner to jump. Your avatar must collect all blue goals to win the game, but if it touches red, it's game over. You can use power-ups to edit and enhance your game. Play around to explore all of the awesome things you can do with power-ups, or read the books that came in the Pixicade Mobile Game Maker kit for in-depth instructions on how to use many of the power-ups. If your game is too hard or you're unhappy with it, try again with a new drawing. Trial and error is part of the game design process. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.